promise. Oh, I can't
This
spell.
is my dad writing £1,000 check out.
No, it's not.
That's probably never going to be guaranteed.
It is guaranteed. It's guaranteed that Lawrence needs to learn the time.
Guaranteed by a pissed bloke that's possibly going to forget in the morning.
Law's promise from Dad. Right?
If I had Facebook, oh wait, I can do one better than that. I can put it on YouTube, make it worldwide.
1,000.
This isn't an actual check. You're not writing on check paper.
If
That's not check paper. You haven't got a check.
Laws.
That's not a checkbook.
learns the
You ought to do this properly. Get a
Time.
checkbook. Get a checkbook and take a massive chunk out of your bank.
it will. You're not recording this, Lawrence. Change
There we are.
his.
The Barclays checkbook.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Well, you've lost. So I've said, Loz, I promise from Dad £1,000 if Loz learns the time. It will change his life. Okay? And yes, I've had a drink, but I still believe that. Lawrence is 19 years old and he does not believe me. Do you, Lawrence? You don't think that if you learn the time